Your purpose is engraved in your being. It's far easier to discover than you might believe. Take a moment to reflect on the events of your past. Do you notice any patterns? Are there things you love, hate, admire, desire, or feel deeply passionate about? Your purpose is intertwined with the things you love, the experiences you've had, and the qualities others often notice in you. How many comments can you recall from people about what they see in you? Pause for a moment and think about these things. When you do, you'll gain a clearer sense of what you're meant to be doing here. Your purpose is connected to your gifts, your passions, and the things that bring you happiness or even anger. It's tied to the changes you wish to see in the world, whether improvements or eliminations. If you find yourself repeatedly doing certain things without knowing why, take a closer look. They may be linked to your purpose. Your purpose is deeply rooted in who you are. It isn't distant or hard to uncover. In fact, it's closer than you realize. Consider the devices you use every day. Their functions, their purposes, are closely linked to their design. An iron is shaped to smooth clothes. A computer is constructed to perform its tasks. A phone is designed to fulfill its purpose. Each device has a distinct design because it serves a specific purpose. Similarly, you are uniquely designed to fulfill your purpose. Your attributes, talents, and gifts, whether they're in how you think, speak, move, or create, are signposts guiding you toward your purpose. When you search for your purpose, look inward rather than outward. If you've sought answers outside yourself but still feel lost, turn your attention inward. The answer lies within you. That's where the truth resides. This truth, deeply embedded within you, knows everything about who you are and holds the answers to life's questions. Your task is to connect with it, to engage in deeper communication and reflection. Think of it as a GPS for your life. It provides direction and purpose. It finds you no matter where you are in life and shows you where to go, how to move, and what to do. This doesn't mean you'll never feel confused or make mistakes. It simply means you'll always find solutions, receive guidance, and regain your sense of direction. Think of the Google map when you are going on a journey. Even if you miss the way, it redirects you from wherever you are and puts you back on track. In the same way, the truth within you is your internal Google map. It always knows the way forward, no matter where you are in life. You don't need to feel weary or worried. Simply connect with the truth inside, and you'll find joy and happiness. Probably. You are asking, how do you connect with the truth inside? I will share that in the next article. Read. Next, part 3, kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get books on Amazon, Amazon Books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgodmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Making 2025 your best year yet. 2. Are you clear about what you want this year? 3. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. 4. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.